Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a while ago, I did a video talking about HealthyWage and how people can use it to motivate them, to help them reach their weight loss goals and earn some extra cash while doing it. So I was checking the comments to that video, and somebody actually commented like, "Oh, this is a scam. Like this ain't gonna work." You know what I mean? And I was like, my instinct was to like write them back and do this long speech and everything, just ignore it. But then I was thinking, like, what if people actually read that comment and actually believe that person and be like, "Yo, HealthyWage is a scam." Man, damn, I was just about to join that. I was just about to sign up for that, man. You know what I mean? I was motivated by this video until I seen that comment. So I'm out, right? So I'm like, let me do a video talking about, HealthyWage. Is it a scam? Can you really make money with this opportunity? So even after looking at that comment, I was like, you know what, I already knew about HealthyWage, right? I knew all about it for years, but I'm like, okay, well, maybe I missed something. Maybe it's like a scandal came out about it and this person talking about this. So I do even more research on the company, look at more real testimonials and reviews and things like that. And after doing, more research on HealthyWage, I came up with the conclusion of there's only 2 people that don't get paid from HealthyWage. All right, there's only 2 ways that you won't get paid if you join HealthyWage. All right, the first person that won't get paid is the person that actually didn't reach their weight loss goals, right? Because HealthyWage works where you put a wager up on how much weight you can lose in a specific amount of time, right? So if you say you're going to lose, 30 pounds in the next 6 months, and then after 6 months you only lost 26, then you're not going to win the money, right? You're going to lose money if you don't reach your weight loss goals. So if that's you can't get mad at HealthyWage if you actually don't reach your goals, right? Now, the second person that won't get paid from HealthyWage, right, after joining and doing the program, is if you try to scam the system yourself. If you try to do like some weird tricks and try to manipulate your numbers and try to be slick with your confirmation weights and everything like that, if they catch you, they're not going to pay you your winnings. You're not. It's just not going to happen. And I think, a lot of people probably go into HealthyWage thinking, because like, oh, I can make all this money, right? So I'm going to just, play the system. I'm going to figure out, instead of actually working out and losing weight, they'll sit there and try to figure out how to game the system. And a lot of times, majority of the times, these people will get caught and they will not get paid. They will probably lose money. So these are the only people that will not get paid by HealthyWage, all right? So if you are somebody who gets motivated by money and you have a weight loss goal, right, and you have some money to kind of play with, then yeah, I think HealthyWage is definitely for you, all right? Because if you're a person who is serious about, losing weight, and you're going to do everything right, you're going to put up the money, right, and then you're going to actually do what you need to do to reach your weight loss goal, then go for it. You should feel confident that if you put this money up, you wage, right, and you actually hit your weight loss goals, feel comfortable knowing that you will get the payout that HealthyWage promises you. So you don't have to worry about like, when you're dieting or doing those hard workouts, in the back of your mind, you don't have to be like, but what if HealthyWage is a scam? What if the website's just going to shut down and don't pay me? Don't worry about that. If you do HealthyWage, just focus on reaching your weight loss goals. And if you do that, then yes, you can get a nice little return on your investment. All right, so if you want to check out how much money you can actually win with HealthyWage, all you need to do is click the link in the description and you can find out right now.